Good evening, Namaskar to all the Gurijans, music and dance lovers, students, members of the Kendra staff, and other esteemed members of the audience present today in this 311th monthly Baitak program. Today is a rare performance. It's a Jugalbandi, it's a Jewish dance performance of Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi by a father-son duo, Shri Rahul Gupta and Mr. Bharat Gupta. And as I just told my staff to make some kind of research, I think at present they are the only father-son duo in India, those who are performing these two forms of South Indian classical dances, that Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi together. And I think this deserves a big round of applause for both of them. This is a rare feat because there is one very senior artist, Kathakali and Bharatanatyam is there, duo by father-son. But this two forms of dance doing together, it is not there till in India, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. A brief introduction about today's artist. I'll start with Shri Rahul Gupta. He is a noted Bharatanatyam dancer and is admired for his grace, precision and powerful expressions. Trained under eminent gurus, he has performed on prestigious platforms. He is inspiring younger generations of Bharatanatyam dancers through his academy Nritya Kalayam and taking workshops nationally and internationally in various universities and schools. We are also happy to share with you that Nritya Kalayam is our affiliated center of the PKK since 2018, and they are doing great work, and all our appreciation for you as an artist and as well as an running an institute as well as head of the institute. And a small brief introduction of Bharat Gupta, a young budding Bharatanatyam artist learning under his father. He has performed globally at a very young age, including in Thailand, Armenia, Dubai, Qatar, Russia and Australia. He has traveled a lot at such a young age and is admired for his grace, expression and devotion to the art form. Now, both the artists are here on the stage. So all our best wishes, and again, round of applause. On the stage is with them. And I'll also welcome, especially to the Mrs. Gupta, I think, Nandini Gupta ji. All welcome to you also. Thank you so much for being here. And again, I welcome all. Let's proceed with the performance. Thank you so much.
Namaste everyone, good evening. My name is Rahul Gupta, and dance has been my passion and my identity for many years. For the every beginning, I was drawn to the beauty, discipline and storytelling power of Bharatanatyam. Through dedication and practice, I have built my journey in this divine art form, and over time, I have been blessed with the opportunity to perform in India and abroad. For me, Bharatanatyam is not just an art. It's a spiritual experience and a way to express the deepest emotions through rhythm and movement. One of the greatest joy of my journey has been to share the stage with my son Bharat Gupta, who is not only my student but also my dance partner. Guiding him as his first guru and watching him grow into an award-winning Bharatanatyam dancer has been the most rewarding part of my life. Together, we perform as a father-son duo, and our performances represent both tradition and bond of love. Dedication and devotion Each time we perform, we aim to touch the hearts of our audience and spread the timeless essence of Indian classical dance. So thank you so much, Srimati Guru Shobha Kausaji, Sir Sajal Kausaji, Madam Samira Kausaji, and all the members of Prachin Kala Kendra who gave us the opportunity to perform today in 311th monthly Baitak. Thank you so much, and now over to Bharat. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. My name is Bharat Gupta. I'm a passionate Bharatnatyam dancer. My journey in dance began with my father and guru, Mr. Rahul Gupta ji, who introduced me to this divine art form of Bharatnatyam. He inspired me to embrace it with devotion. Under his guidance, I have learned that Bharatnatyam is not only about rhythm and movement, but also about discipline, storytelling, and spiritual expressions. Dance has become a way for me to connect with the culture and the beauty of others. I have been blessed with many opportunities to perform in India as well as in abroad, where I have represented Bharatnatyam on international platforms. Each performance has been a chance for me to showcase the richness of our tradition and to touch the hearts of the audience. I have got many recognitions for my efforts, including the Best Child Dancer Award from the Government of Sydney, Australia, and from Haryana. This has motivated me. This has even motivated me harder to work in this platform. Thank you so much, Prachin Kala Kendra, for giving us this opportunity. Now, I feel honored to perform a solo dance on Kuchipudi, which is based on Lord Krishna. He is the most graceful and charming person in the whole universe. In this performance, I will use the classical techniques of Kuchipudi, combined integrate footwork, rhythmic patterns, and expressive gestures to tell the story and moods of Lord Krishna. Each movement is in Kuchipudi conveyed with devotion and emotion. I hope to connect deeply with both the audience and the spirit of Lord Krishna. Performing a dance on Krishna is very special to me because it allows me to share the joy, devotion, and timeless beauty of a classical dance. I hope that through my performance you can experience the divine charm of Lord Krishna, and I sincerely request you to bless and appreciate as I begin the journey of our recital with a Kuchipudi dance performance on Lord Krishna. Thank you so much.
बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं 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 बालकृष्णं कलय सखी कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं कृष्णं रथविषय जगत्प्रभविष्णु सुररिगणविष्णु सदा बालकृष्णं रथविषय कृष्णं जगत्प्रभविष्णु सुररिगणविष्णु सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरम् शृङ्गार रसवर सङ्गीत साहित्य गङ्गालहरि गेल सदा बाल शृङ्गार रसवर सङ्गीत विद्यानुकूलमखिल सत्यं सदा बालकम्
I hope you all will enjoy his performance. I was very emotional to see his performance because as a father I always feel, God bless you, Vita. So now I will present a Bharatanatyam piece called Nityanjali. This dance is a grand offering to the Almighty, celebrating devotion and the devotee of classical dance, devotion of classical dance, and the divine spirit that inspires every moment. It is an expression on gratitude of the divine for guiding and blessing us through the art of Bharatanatyam. In this performance, I will convey not just the rhythmic patterns and technical accepts of the dance, but also the emotions, stories, and sentiments of the heart of Bharatanatyam. Each gesture, movement, and expressions, devotion, grace, and surrender. Nityanjali reflects the internal bond between the devotee and the Almighty, bringing love and spiritual energy to the stage. Through this dance, I hope to take you on the spiritual journey where every step and expression reflects dedication, discipline, and devotion. I humbly dedicate this performance to the Almighty, my Guru, and all of you present here. I hope you will enjoy and bless this offering. Thank you.
ಗಣ ಗಣ ವಿಧಿ ಹರಿಸೆ ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಕುಡ ತಿಕ್ಕುಡ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿ
Now I feel honored to present a Bharatnatyam piece dedicated to Lord Shiva, the destroyer and transformer, who symbolizes strength, devotion, and divine energy. In this dance, I will try to express the stories and the glory of Lord Shiva through Abhinaya, integrate footworks, and graceful movements. Each gesture and each step is representing devotion, power, and the external presence of Lord Shiva, bringing his divine energy to the stage. I hope you enjoy my dance performance. Thank you.
பிரானே பேரென்றாடும் சிவபோதனே பிறை சூடும் 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 பிரானே
Hope you all are enjoying the performance. Alright, so next we have, yes. The next piece is our recital is my fourth, in our fourth dance titled Adhuram Madhuram. This is a Bharatnatyam performance dedicated to Lord Krishna, celebrating his divine sweetness, charm and playful nature. Through this dance, I am aimed to convey the joy, devotion and beauty associated with Krishna stories and Leelas. In Adhuram Madhuram, each movement, expression and rhythm is carefully designed to bring alive the moods of Krishna. From his mischievous playfulness of his senior of loving presence, Bharatnatyam allows me to express these emotions with grace, abhinaya and interact footwork, giving life to every gesture and every rhythm. I invite you all to embrace yourself in this performance, to experience the devotion, joy and the Lord Krishna inspired, and to enjoy the beauty of Bharatnatyam through this piece. So now I'm going to present Adhuram Madhuram, the Bharatnatyam performance. Thank you.
मधुरं वृन्दावन परितजपानं
Sajam, sajam, sanam, sakajam, sadu, yedi, sajam, sajam, sanam, sakajam, sadu, yedi, sajam, sanam, sadu, yedi, sajam, sanam, sadu, yedi, ta, sakati, sakati, yena, kaka, sakati, yena, sakati, yena, kaka, sati, yena, sati, yena, sati, yena, kaka.
वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं प्रीतं मधुरं भूतं मधुरं सुतं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं प्रीतं मधुरं भूतं मधुरं सुतं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं
Now I will represent a Bharatnatyam piece dedicated to the divine trio of Lord Ganesha, Lord Shiva and Goddess Durga. This dance celebrates their unique qualities, divine powers and the harmony in the entire universe. Through this performance, I will try to depict the wisdom and removal of obstacles, Lord Ganesha, the strength, grace, and cosmic power of Lord Shiva, and the protective and compassionate nature of Lord Asgurda. Each gesture, expression, and rhythmic step in this dance conveys their story, their energy, and their timeless presence. So I perform the trio of God, Ganesha, Shiva, and Goddess Durga. Thank you.
श्रीकान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमङ्गला श्रीकान्तो मातुलो यस्य जननी सर्वमङ्गला जनकः शङ्करो देव जनकः शङ्करो देव तं वन्दे कुन्दराननं तं वन्दे कुन्दराननं तं वन्दे कुन्दराननं तारं तारं तरिह तरिह तक्क तरिगिरगदीं दीं गणद गणद तक्क गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुद तक्क जोगिरगदनं नं दिविद दिविद तक्क दिविगिरगदा नां तरिह तरिह तक्क तरिगिरगदीं दीं गणद गणद तक्क गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुद तक्क जोगिरगदनं नं दिविद दिविद तक्क दिविगिरगदा तरिह तरिह तक्क तरिगिरगदीं दीं गणद गणद तक्क गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुद तक्क जोगिरगदनं नं दिविद दिविद तक्क दिविगिरगदा तां तां तरिह तरिह तक्क तरिगिरगदीं दीं गणद गणद तक्क गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुद तक्क जोगिरगदनं नं दिविद दिविद तक्क दिविगिरगदा शरणगत दीनाथ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्याति हरे देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते तां तां तरिद तरिगिरगदीं गणद गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुगिरगदनं दिविद दिविगिरगदं तं तरिद तरिगिरगदीं गणद गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुगिरगदनं दिविद दिविगिरगदं तं तरिद तरिगिरगदीं गणद गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुगिरगदनं दिविद दिविगिरगदं तं तरिद तरिगिरगदीं गणद गणगिरगदों दों नमुद नमुगिरगदनं दिविद दिविगिरगदं
सा मुश्किल होता है जब परफॉर्मर को परफॉर्म करना होता है, बोलना ही पड़ता है. प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी गाइस. Now the next performance by me, Chandrachud Shiv Shankar Parvati. In this item, I'm going to present a Shiva story, how Parvati wanted to marry Lord Shankara, and how Lord Shankara and how Lord Shiva, accept her love and devotion. So now I have the next performance, Chandrachud Shiv Shankar Parvati, and I hope you will enjoy the performance. Thank you.
on Lord Vishnu, the preserver and the protector of the universe. In this piece, I aim to show the divine qualities, his strength, compassion, and serenity through classical movements and expressions. In this performance, I will use intricate footworks, graceful gestures, and expressive abhinaya of bhakti to portray Lord Vishnu's stories, reflecting the timeless beauty of the classical dance form and Lord Vishnu. I hope you will enjoy this performance. Thank you so much.
भोगीन्द्रशायिनं पुरुकुशलदायिनं पुरुषं शाश्वतं कलये भोगीन्द्रशायिनं पुरुकुशलदायिनं पुरुषं शाश्वतं कलये शाश्वतं कलये
It's my humble privilege to present the Mangalam. In the concluding piece, we express our gratitude to the Almighty, our gurus, our family, and all to you, the esteemed audience, for your blessings and support throughout this performance. Dance is a way to connect with the divine and share our culture. And through the Mangalam, we seek peace, happiness, and prosperity for all. We offer this final piece with devotion and humanity, hoping that the grace of the Lord and the audience of our Guru continue to inspire us in every step of our journey. On behalf of myself and and me, I sincerely thank you for joining us today, witnessing our love for dance and encouraging us with your presence. We hope you enjoyed the performance and we offer our prayer and respect throughout this Mangalam. Thank you. This is the last performance of today's show.
मन मंगलम शुभ मंगलम जय मंगलम श्री गणपति मंगलम शुभ मंगलम जय मंगलम श्री गणपति मंगलम जय मंगलम हरिदेव सेना समेत सुब्रह्मण्यन मंगलम सदा मंगलम शिवदानी गणराजन मंगलम जय मंगलम लक्ष्मी नारायण मंगलम सर्वलोक मंगलम नमः आंजनेय मंगलम
Very beautiful performances. The thunderous applause is evident that how much our beautiful audience have liked your performance. Both of them. And during your performance, two eminent artists and distinguished personalities of Chandigarh have joined us. One is Professor Meera Madanji, an eminent musician and scholar, and Professor Subhagya another eminent scholar. And it's nice that we have both of us with us. Now I request Professor Meera Madanji and Professor Subhagya to please come on the stage and felicitate our. And today another our aim and objective to all along with the artists which we invite from outside of Chandigarh, to also give this platform to the not only to the local artists but local as well as the young artists. So today we have almost two young artists, father and son. You as a young only. You look more like I just saw you as Rahul Gupta's brother. As a brother. So it was really very nice and beautiful performance. We all
He's wearing my costume.
we got enchanted with this beautiful and lovely performances. So please, Professor Meera Madanji, and आप आइए, आपका तो अच्छा हाँ to give our love and affection in form of our traditional utriya, आइए and smell memento of our appreciation. Please come. Rahul Gupta. Thank you so much, Ji. So, thank you everyone. Thank you all the members of the lovely musical audience. And Haji.
Sorry. Thank you to everyone, Mr. Harinder ji. We have an old association, and Ms. Indu ma'am. I keep on, asking her about her program. Thank you, Indu ma'am. Thank you all the, members of Prachin Kala Kendra. Yes, Bharat's teacher, Ms. Anjali Janki, also here. She's again a Kuchipuri dancer. So she supports Bharat a lot. Thank you so much for coming. Rahul sir, again a dance teacher from the Guru Global School, especially coming here. And my fellow friends, Mr. Bunty ji, unki wife, unki beti, everybody is coming here. Thank you so much everyone for coming here for this occasion. Thank you to Sameera ma'am. वो नहीं है यहाँ, बट मेरा उनको बहुत बहुत प्रणाम. और गुरु माँ मिसेस सुचित्रा शोभा कौशल जी, and especially Sajal sir for giving us this opportunity. Thank you to the cameraman and the photographer here for coming here. Thank you once again. Thank you so much. Artist मैं इतना अच्छा बोल नहीं पाता, not that good, that much good in speaking, but thank you so much. Thank you very much. I'm overwhelmed.
It was really a pleasure to witness such remarkable performances. And yes, thanks to all, Amar Abhinandan, thank all the eminent artists. Lucy just named Liya, Rahul ji, and thank you so much for coming. Thank you everyone, and then we'll meet again. God bless us all. Thank you, Professor Neeraj. Thank you, Professor Madhav. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much, and entire our staff. Yes. Indu ji वगैरह तो आपने thanks कर दिया. I also do the same. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We have a professor also from Malana University. So she's also here, so especially coming.
Okay.
Thank you,
Namaskar.
ma'am.
Yes, we have met.
Especially
Yes.
coming. बचपन से मेरा यहाँ पर आना जाना है, बचपन से शो में आपको देखा था. बचपन में I was very young. I used to think कि मैं भी कब सीखूंगा. I was class 4 जब से मैं केंद्र में आता हूँ, और आज I'm very overwhelmed and very emotional. मैंने तो सही में दो भाई हैं, मेरे तो भाई से
We are so happy.
ऐसे लग रहे थे ना.
Doing so nice with your chosen field and this as a former. Proud moment for us.